Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how to look rich on a budget using AI-powered apps and other tips to elevate your style. Have you ever scrolled through Instagram, envying the seemingly endless wardrobes of the rich and famous? It's easy to feel like you'll never be able to attain that level of style and sophistication, especially if you're on a budget. But with the help of AI-powered apps and a few clever tips and tricks, you can elevate your style game and look like $1 million without breaking the bank. From finding affordable designer dupes to learning how to mix and match your existing wardrobe, we've got everything you need to look like you just stepped off the runway. So if you're ready to turn heads and make a statement, our top tips on how to look rich on a budget. First off, investing in quality basics is key. Apps like Thread and Stitch Fix can help you find high-quality pieces that fit your budget and personal style. Alternatively, you can check out thrift stores or consignment shops for quality basics at a lower price. Next, choose classic pieces that will never go out of style. Apps like Finery or Rent the Runway can help you find classic pieces that fit your style and budget. 1. Invest in timeless pieces. Focus on buying classic, high-quality items that will never go out of style. This includes pieces like a tailored blazer, a little black dress, or a quality leather handbag. 2. Shop at thrift stores and consignment shops. You can often find high-quality designer items at a fraction of the original price by shopping at thrift stores and consignment shops. Look for pieces that are in good condition and can be easily paired with other items in your wardrobe. 3. Mix high-end and low-end pieces. You don't need to have a closet full of designer items to look expensive. By mixing high-end pieces with affordable basics, you can create a polished and stylish look that appears more expensive than it actually is. 4. Pay attention to fit and tailoring. Even a simple outfit can look expensive if it fits well and is tailored to your body. Take the time to have your clothes tailored to fit properly and invest in a few key pieces that flatter your body type. Accessories are also important in elevating your look. Use apps like PriceSpy or Camel to track prices of luxury accessories and wait for the best time to buy. Keeping your wardrobe minimal is also crucial. Invest in a few high-quality pieces that you can mix and match to create different outfits. Use apps like Pocket Guard or Mint to track your spending on clothes and accessories, and make sure you stay within your budget. Accessorize strategically. You can elevate a simple outfit by adding the right accessories. Look for statement jewelry, scarves, hats, or belts that can add a pop of color or texture to your look. But remember, less is often more, so be sure to choose your accessories carefully and avoid overdoing it. Focus on quality fabrics. Choosing high-quality fabrics, such as silk, wool, or cashmere, can instantly elevate your look and make even basic items look more expensive. Look for clothing items made from quality materials, or invest in a few key pieces that you can wear for years to come. Take care of your clothes. Properly caring for your clothing can help them last longer and maintain their quality. Follow the care instructions on the label. Avoid overwashing, and consider investing in a steamer or iron to keep your clothes looking crisp and wrinkle-free. Pay attention to details. It's often the little things that can make a big difference in your overall look. Pay attention to details like your shoes, handbags, and makeup, and make sure they are polished and coordinated with the rest of your outfit. Taking the time to polish your shoes or add a pop of lipstick can make all the difference. By following these tips and techniques, you can create a stylish and expensive-looking wardrobe on a budget. The key is to be strategic with your choices and focus on quality over quantity. Lastly, take care of your appearance by getting regular haircuts, keeping your nails manicured, and investing in quality skincare products. AI-powered beauty apps like Sephora Virtual Artist can help you experiment with different makeup looks and find the products that work best for you. These apps can also recommend products based on your skin type, preferences, and even your face shape. So whether you're looking for a new lipstick shade or a skincare routine that works for you, these apps can help you find what you need. By taking care of your appearance and using the latest beauty technology, you can look and feel your best without spending a fortune. So why not give these apps a try and see what works for you? By implementing these tips, you can look and feel your best without breaking the bank. So those are some tips on how to look rich on a budget using AI-powered apps and other strategies to elevate your style. Now that you know how to look rich on a budget, it's time to put these tips and tricks into action. With the help of AI-powered apps and some savvy shopping, you can elevate your style and look like $1 million without spending a fortune. So don't be afraid to experiment with your look and try new things. With a little creativity and some smart spending, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Remember, looking good isn't just about the clothes you wear. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. So go ahead, put your best foot forward, and show the world what you're made of. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.